Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So firstly, let's enter the phone dialer and let's tap on the three dots icon. It doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites, just tap on it and enter the settings. Here we have to find calling accounts and tap on the card you're currently using. Now we have to tap on additional settings and here we've got the call waiting option, which in my case is inactive. I have no idea why, but I can still explain to you how to use it. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher and make sure that this circle will be on the right side. So thanks to this, during a call, your device will notify you about any other incoming calls. So it's quite useful. Obviously, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again and turn the circle to the left side. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the call waiting in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.